Are you tired of making a soggy patty jollof rice? Keep watching. This video is for you. I started by pouring in my already washed rice. Then I stirred it, pour in my chicken stock. I sieved it with my spoon, as you can see in this video, because I wouldn't want the stock particles to go inside the rice to avoid burning. Then I added my water, extra water. You don't need to add too much water so that the rice doesn't get soggy. This is where the mistake comes from. Then after adding in your water, you stir it very well. Then I adjusted my own with salt. You can adjust with any seasoning if anyone is lacking. Then after that, I covered it to come to a boil. For 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I opened it up. You lift with your spoon. You don't turn it so the rice doesn't get burnt. After lifting it, you still cover it back. You cover it with your foil. You still cover it back with your foil. I use nylon. After 10 more minutes, you open it up. Of foil. Add in your butter, your already chopped onion. Then with your stew base, the one we scooped up from the last video, please do where to go back to the stew base preparation, how to make your patty jollof rice stew base. Then you pour it inside the patty jollof rice. Then use your spoon to stir around, just play around it. After that, you still cover it back to steam like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you open it up and still give it a very good stir. After giving it a very good stir, then your patty jollof rice is ready. Can you see how yummy and delicious this patty jollof rice is looking? Please do where to subscribe, share, comment for more easy and delicious recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.